Hey my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is August Nicole. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today this review is gonna be a little different because today is my birthday. Today is my birthday. And I wanted to do something a little different. I want to do something a little fun. So I switched it up, y'all. I got me some red hair. And her name is Lilia. And she's from OUTRE. And I got her in the color Cinnamon Spice. And this is how she looks on the back. And she comes in all sorts of different colors. And the clients of this unit, it has pre-plucked lace parting. She has natural baby hairs. And she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And y'all, she does have the HD transparent lace. And I am not so good with blending the HD transparent lace. She said this is like my second wig that I have that has the HD transparent lace. And what that means is the lace is really, really light. And it's supposed to like blend in better with your skin, but it really didn't blend in that well with my skin. I tried to blend it in as best as I could. This is how their hairline is looking. I mean, I know I can improve, but this is how it's looking so far. As y'all can see, the color of the lace, it really didn't blend in with my skin. And I went in with my Fit Me powder to like help blend it in a little bit more. And I also like use some concealer. Like I see, for far back I'm okay, but you get up close, you can probably see it. But you know, I think you can get away with it as long as you got your hairstyle like this, like coming down like this, you'll be okay. And I also put some powder in the parting space. And y'all, let me tell you about the cons of this wig. Y'all, she tangles a lot. And she didn't even really fit my head. Like the other OUTRE wigs that I had in the past, they fit real good, but this cap construction was really small. So if you have a small head, this wig is just right for you, because I had to put her up some so I can have her on my head looking just right. And I like the color. I really think this is a fun hairstyle. Like if you want to switch it up, this will be a cute hairstyle that you can do, because I love how flowy she is. I like the pattern. This is how she's looking on the side, and this is how she looks in the back. So she's pretty long. She is pretty long. She comes down past my shoulders. So she's a pretty long unit. But if you are going to wear it out, you do need to have a brush handy, because you're going to need it if you're going to be out with her, so she can act right. And like the cons that I have about this wig, like I said, the cap construction is not really fitting my head like it normally would. She tangles, and I wish they could make this lace like a little bit darker or easier to blend, but hey, I'm a beginner with the HD transparent lace, so one thing I can do is get better with my blending game. And the pros that I have about this wig, I like the color, I like the parting space. OUTRE does pretty good with their parting space. The texture, she's like, she has some yucky in her, but she's not like a silk. She doesn't feel silky to me. And you don't want to run your fingers through her too much, because y'all, she will tangle. And the other con that I have is that she sheds. But like if you want a cute look, and by the way, this wig was $25, y'all. And I got her from Ebony Line. So you want a quick slate for $25, you want to switch your color, your hairstyle up, then go for it. And she also, let me see, I think she comes in the natural color too, because she comes in chocolate, so that's like a pretty brown color. She comes in cinnamon spice, that's what I have on now. She comes in golden amber, golden peach, DR 2730, and DR 4 cream blonde. So nah, she doesn't really come in like some natural colors. But if you want to switch it up and have fun, then go ahead. But y'all, that is it for this video. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.